Gonna make some baked pork chops with breaded and then bake them instead of fry them. Since I had leftover buttermilk from making the cornbread, take your pork chops and soak them in buttermilk, preferably for at least a couple of hours or overnight if you can. I'm making these for dinner tonight, so I'm going to soak them for a couple of hours. You preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and easier way to do it is that, for the breading, mix you a little cornmeal with a little flour inside of a Ziploc bag with a little salt and pepper. If you like them spicy, you can add some cayenne pepper to it. This is just an alternative to frying them. It's like a homemade shake and bake, since we always have flour and cornmeal around the house here. Instead of buying shake and bake, just make your own. We're going to soak these and then I'll bread them and bake them. Flour and cornmeal with a little breadcrumbs, a little kosher coarse salt, some black pepper and some lemon pepper and a little oregano. Then you're just gonna dredge your pork chops and breading, put them in a pan and stick them in the oven for probably about 25-30 minutes. They should be done. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. There's our breaded pork chops. Gonna stick them in the oven now. Been in there about 12-13 minutes. We're gonna flip them over and then cook them for about another 10 or 15 minutes. And then we'll be done. There's my leftover field peas over here. I actually like to take my field peas or chili or bean soup and pour over top of my cornbread. Eat it like that. These are the field peas I made last night with field peas and stewed tomatoes with okra. Put a little hot sauce on them on top of the cornbread. They're good like that. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it sure is good. It smells good. That's the field peas on top of the cornbread. That's our pork chop there. By doing cornbread like that, that's your starch, along with the peas a little bit. It's field peas with the snaps, tomatoes, and okra with a little bit of sauce. I put hot sauce over top of mine, and usually raw onions, but I'm out of onions. Let's eat.